Hi, welcome to Go Jessie Go. Today I'm going to show you my Lego puzzle. You're supposed to take off the H so what you're supposed to do is, get off the H while it's spinning. So I turn the game on by pushing the button. And then I try to take off the H. It's pretty simple. And if you want it to be easier, then you can flip it over so there's a bar sticking up. Do it. So that's how it works. Now I'm going to show you how to build it. Okay, first take this piece and put Technic pins in it. Like this. Then put an axle in like this. And then put this turntable gear here, like this. Then put this gear on it like this. Now this is the hard part. Getting on the axle connector. Get on the axle connector right there. That's the hard part. Now add a 1x3 axle in this hole. And now let's sit outside and make the H. That's simple. Just take one of these parts like this, one of these 1x3 beams, and put a Technic pin like this in it. And then take one of these Technic axle pin connectors and connect it on like this. And then put the other one here. And then it doesn't look like an H yet because you need to rotate it. Now it looks like an H and an H. Now, let's attach that here. And to start, put it with this part up. And now you can see when you turn this bottom knob here, it turns when I turn this bottom part. This top part turns because it's turning this gear, which is turning this gear, which turns this. Now let's add that to the motor like to our owl motor. And then let's add that to our battery box. And then add our thing to our battery box. And then you're finished. Just push it here, and then try to get it off. And then turn it off. And then advance it by putting it face down. And then do this. And try to get off the H. So that is how to build a Lego game. Thanks for coming to Go Jessie Go. Hope you liked this video. And bye. Bye.